Alright guys, I wanted to let everybody know that I'm going to be upgrading my recording equipment. I'm going to get a couple mounts for my van so you ain't got none of this and all this stuff, me trying to hold the camera with my hand. I have a GoPro and I do have like a head mount, but you know, that thing hurts my big old block head. I got a big old square head, you know, it's tied around my head. So I'm going to get a couple tripods, get a couple mounts for the car so we can make some better footage. But I appreciate you guys. You know, the DC Appliance Repair is really growing. We're getting subscribers in every day. I really appreciate that. That's my goal. And like I said, we're going to be doing footage every day, so I'm going to be upgrading this. I just want to let you guys know. But hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment for any questions that you may have. We got a great day ahead of us this Monday. I will be posting up today's footage of what I'm going to be repairing, but just want to let y'all know that we are upgrading our equipment so we can have some better footage. Alright guys, thank you for taking along. Have a great day.